1 month ago, I uploaded this video on this channel. I shared how much I made in the month of December with 19 trades with a total profit of $42,000. Where in the same month, in December the 2nd, I closed my most profitable session with 15 trades, making $27,000 profit with no loss. Today, again, I was able to detect another beautiful signal, and in less than 1 hour, I made a total profit of $6,000, opening 13 trades and winning all of them. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you the live session, me trading on IQ option, raw with no editing. And before I continue, I just want you to understand that in this trading session, I'm not following anybody else's strategy, signal, or method. I'm following my own strategy. And for my students who have already accessed my course on binarystrategycourse.com, please consider this video as a new episode from chapter 3. Now, let's jump to the trading session. First, we click here to choose the trading asset and we search for Euro USD. We choose this one and we click on it. Second, we choose the chart type. To trade with my strategy, you must use the Japanese candlesticks. So we click here and we choose candles. Second, we choose the time period. In my case, I trade with the 1-minute candles. After that, we choose the expiration time. So we click here and we click on 1 minute. Next, we jump to the indicators. So we click here and we click at Bollinger Bands. As you already know, the parameters will change depending on the circumstances as mentioned in our course. Here, the Bollinger Bands period must be 15 and the deviation must be 2. Next, we choose Parabolic SAR. The acceleration must be 2.22 and the max acceleration must be 0.22. The next indicator is MACD. Since we are using EURUSD, here the fast period and the signal period must be different. So the fast period must be 20, the slow period should be over 20, in my case I'm choosing 25, and the signal period should be 10. And the fourth and last indicator is RSI. So the period here should be 10, the overbought level should be 75, and the oversold level should be 25. With this, I'm done setting up my strategy and I'm ready to start trading. Alright, so back again, guys. I found this beautiful signal and I want to share it with you. So as you can see, the market is going down. We'll keep going down the next candle. So let's put $600 and yeah, let's short. So as you can see here, I'm using, in this case, especially, I'm not using all the 4 indicators. So as you can see, I'm applying to this strategy MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and Parabolic SAR. But for the moment, I'm not using MACD, all right? I'm using the other 3, mostly Parabolic SAR. And this is for those who already mastered my strategy, know exactly that this is how my strategy works. And yeah, so with a lot of discipline, if you put a lot of discipline, you can get amazing results. So yeah, as you can see, we still have 4 seconds. Yep. Yes. So a win. Great. So I guess the next one will be also a short position. So this, yeah, this is my first trade. This position here was my first trade in this session, this live session. So let's go back. So the next candle, this is the perfect moment. So yeah, a short position with $600 as usual. So yeah, guys, please keep in your mind, you need to set realistic goals, right? Don't expect to make millions from binary option trading starting with, I don't know, $100 or $1,000. It's not that easy. Believe me, it's not that easy. I spent years and I lost a lot of money and I learned a lot of things. So let me take this position, this win. Great. Yeah, amazing. This is, I guess, yeah, this is the second trade since I was live. Yeah, this is the second, this one. Great, great. $500 $16. Yeah, 86%. Usually I don't like to trade with a higher percentage profit, but yeah, for sake of this video, since I found this perfect signal, I decided to share it with you. Yeah. All right. The next one. So see, the market is creating this clear downtrend. Four red candles. We must see another red candle until the market touches the lower band from the Bollinger Bands. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, when I started trading, I was just gambling. To be honest, I was just gambling. I had no strategy, no method, no money management method, no risk management, nothing. I was just gambling. I remember I lost a total of $1,200. Yeah, yeah, I remember $1,200, money that I couldn't afford. Right, different story there. So I decided that I need to be careful or more careful, or at least I will avoid losing any money. From that point, I started searching different stuff about trading, started learning, reading different books, watching or taking different courses, watching different tutorials, and I learned that you can avoid losing your money. You can, it's avoidable. All right. So let me take this. Let me take this trade. Amazing, amazing. This was, yeah, this one, the last one. Yeah, $516 with 86% as usual. Great, great. I guess, yeah, I guess that the next one, yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, look. The next one is going up. Let's go. The next one, with $600, this one is going up, I guess 100%. So guys, you need to implement a solid risk management strategy into your trading. Without a risk management method, you are risking your whole balance, and this is the first enemy of any trader. Yeah, I guess we, yeah, with a red candle, but I'm winning. You know what? Because I opened at a lower position. Yeah, this position. This position. Great. What do you think? The market is supposed to keep going down, right? The market will keep going down. I know that. Yeah, it's following the lower band. RSI there is not helping too much. So, guys, a good risk management method, implement it into your strategy. Never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital. I mean, on a single trade, for example, you have $10,000, just trade with $100 maximum. That's enough with $100 with a signal with 12 winning trades. Yep, another win. So with 12 winning trades with an investment of $100, that's almost $1,000 per day. I believe that's more than enough if you have a balance of $10,000 and you're making $1,000 per day. That's more than enough, I believe. So yeah, guys, I believe that yeah, it will keep going down. This one will keep going down. So let's $500. It will keep going down. Yeah. So guys, even if you don't have a good strategy, at least master the basics of candlestick patterns and the basics of technical analysis. All right, master RSI, learn MACD, how MACD is supposed to work, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, super trend, Fibonacci, different technical analysis. Yeah. See, another win. Yeah, there the market was supposed to go up back because RSI is indicating that the market should go up next. But let's see this one. This one was clear and perfect. The market is going down. Keep going down. And please, please, guys, keep emotions in check. I mean, control your emotions. Fear and greed can lead to impulse decisions. Please remember that. If you are afraid to enter a trade, keep away. Just leave it there. Don't enter any trade if you are not 100% sure that you are going to win. Simple as that. Great. Great. This trend was perfect. Yeah, this trend was perfect. It will keep going down. We will still, yeah, we will still see another red candle, or at least another red candle. Um, and also, guys, you need, in order to make amazing results from trading, you need to understand the market structures. So familiarize yourself with key market structures like support lines, resistance lines, trend lines, and different chart patterns. This will help you understand the behavior of the market. At least, I'm not saying that with this basic lines you will take perfect trades, but great. Um, I hope that you understand the point, guys. Uh, I believe this is the end. No, it's a fake end. I mean, next candle will be green and the market will fake it. So the sellers are faking it and making it look like the market is flipping or reversing. So let's open a long position, but let's see what will happen next. Because I don't believe that this is the end of this trend, yeah. This trend is clear. Um, so understand the market structures, be, be familiarized with the support resistance lines, trend lines, and different stuff like that. Master candlestick patterns, master at least 5 indicators like MACD, Bollinger Bands, RSI, parabolic SIR, moving averages, Fibonacci. Yes, yes, $430. This one is clear. Yeah, $430 with 86. See, here where I get stuck because the sellers are trying to fake it. See, here we are seeing a green candle, right? And the market is trying to catch uh, traders that use feelings. Because here you may think that the market will flip looking at different indicators, but no, you will see. See, it's coming back down. Hopefully, it's coming back down. Mm, yes, last minute, see? Last second. Yeah, this one. This was risky. It was really risky. Mm, should I? Yeah. Next one will also, let's put $1,000 there. Let me just put $1,000. And this one is going up. I'm not 100% sure. I'm risking it. But I believe that the sellers, so yeah, let's just hope that I'm right. Because I believe that the sellers are trying to fake it, to fake an uptrend or to fake a reversal. All right. Once everybody thinks that, yeah, the market is making a reversal, then the sellers will come back again and will. So this is just fake. This is just fake. See, this is just fake. Hopefully, hopefully this one will be green. If this one is a red, must be. Just hope. Let's just hope. So please, guys, practice, keep practicing on demo account. So I lost $1,200 in the first 2 months that I started trading privately on my own account. I'm not talking about different companies that I was trading for. I'm talking about myself. When I started trading on my account, I lost $1,200. Why? Because I thought that I was perfect. I learned a lot in different companies. Yeah, this one is a win. Yeah, this one. Great. It was perfect. Just as I thought. Sellers kept pushing, but next the market is going down. Trust me in there. Trust me there. The market, yeah, the market will keep going down. 100%. Even the next one is going down. Even the next one. If this one is right, if this one is wrong, I'm quitting here. I will stop this session. But if I'm winning this one, I will trade for the last time also a short position. So guys, keep your emotions away, because if I was using emotions there, I would just kept thinking that the market, yeah, kept thinking that the market would keep going up, and the sellers or buyers are making a reversal there. But no, yeah, I believe that this is. Should I quit here? There must be not this one, not this candle. So yeah, this one. I made a win there. I made a win there, there, and there. All those was risky. This one, this one, this one. Yeah, the three last trades was risky. So let's open a short position for the last time, and I hope, I hope that my prediction was right. But this is the end of the signal. I believe that this is the end of my own signal, but not. This is not the end of the trend. But I'm not ready to risk it. I made enough money today. Many trades we made until now, I guess, yeah, we made around, yeah, 11 trades perhaps, or 12 trades. 12, yeah, 12 trades. Guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only, and I'm not telling you that you make the same results. Guys, I'm professional. I spent years in learning and trading on demo account. So I'm not telling you in any way that you make the same result. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option trading. All right. So please keep that in your mind. Yeah, this one is a win. Clear. It's clear. Great. So guys, this is it. Yeah, the last trade. I hope that you enjoyed, guys. If you are interested in learning this strategy, please go to our website, binarystrategycourse.com, and take our course. All right. Take care.